Well, would you look who it is? What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's been 3 weeks. We've been busy. Not killing ourselves busy, but added to the fleet. Like I said, as you can see, got a little mini. We ain't even got it outfitted yet. It's just kind of thrown together. Isn't wrapped. Just got the measurements Friday. Should be getting this bad boy wrapped in a week, maybe 29th. Where we at? The 20th? Week and a half-ish potentially. Hopefully sooner. Get this thing all cleaned up, looking good. Can pull it in the garage, so that's a plus. Did hire a new tech. Shout out George, the big homie. He's a legend in these here parts of Central Florida. What else we got going on, man? So the first 2 weeks we rode together. The last week I got this. We transferred him over to that van. It was no type of probationary period, none of that bullshit. It was just us finding this other van, because he's the type of dude you ain't gotta even worry about. Like, I know George from before this, so that really helped the hiring process of that, and just getting him on board and trusting him to go out there and execute. It's just that easy. So just banged out a maintenance, gonna go do an estimate. Then we got 3 service calls today. I think he's got about 5 calls as well, so we're just we're playing it that way. Hopefully we just keep stacking the schedule like this. Got to install tomorrow, which we're doing. Then the next day doing a duct job, which I said we weren't gonna do, but man, we got to keep this cash flow good. And when you get in that mindset, it's kind of shitty, because you're always gonna think it's not there, but we gonna make it work. So that's what we're doing. Stay tuned. Let's go. The day is just getting started, and I'm gonna bring y'all along. So let's get it. Yee! All right, just pulled up. Oh, there she is, by the way. These are what we're gonna be, I'm assuming, quoting one of these. So let's go ahead, get to the front door, check with the customer, give them some options, baby. So this the guy that's just had the TXV replaced, and they're still having an issue. A 4T cereal. All right. Oh. All right, electric right there, easy peasy. Thermostat up. Goop it up. All right, cool. That ain't no thing. Let's go look outside. All right, leaving it. It was that train. God, this thing is so tight. I feel like a little, look at this. Fucking clown in this bitch, dude. It's hilarious. I do have a backup camera though. So, it's a little 5-ton train they got in there. They just replaced the TXV, and it's still, hold on. It's still just not cool, and apparently they said it's still, the previous company said it's still flooding back. They put some leak stop in there about 2 years ago. The 410 system from 2012, they just want options. It's working-ish, they said, so we'll let that be, we'll let it ride. Now, let's get on to the next call. It's a vacant property, but, oh shit. I love me a good grill. Let's get to it. What's this here on Thursday? We had a shorted contactor, and now stats blank again. Let's see. If that fuse is blown again. Got a blown fuse. Well, if it's gonna appear. Yeah, there you go. So just gotta see why now. Sometimes what leads me to those. Let's see. Grab my Short Pro. Well, it's not a Pro, but there's that. Okay, I'm gonna go in here. Oh. Now what I'm gonna do, since I know obviously this is what happened last time, once the condenser tries to kick on, that's when it kind of shorts. I just want to see if there's any wires down there I can see. No, that's not gonna work. That may be kind of rubbed out. I'll have to take this panel off. It's got this. I wouldn't suspect there to be an issue inside of there, to be honest. So we'll take this off and see if anything rubbed out. Doesn't look like it, because yeah, could be something down there. It's definitely just when the Y comes on, to go kick that on. If I go turn the fan on, the fan will come on, it'll run. I'll grab my jumper king, go up in there, jump the wires out. It does have a resettable fuse in it as well. It'll pop the fuse on that. So let's get up in there and test this. And I gotta see if it's through the Y here or the board. So let's see something. See if it just automatic pop there. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna do it on the reversing valve, reset it. Nothing there. So it'll go red. Let's find a pressure switch. High pressure. Shorts right through the high pressure. Okay. Where's the low? Reset it. So it's shorting out through that high pressure switch. Side. And again, I'm just going to do the other leg of that pressure switch. Just to see. I mean, it's not going to make a difference. It should pop there as well. Yep. Alright. We'll kill the power. Trace this high pressure switch. It's number 3 upstairs. 2, 3. Definitely not the one. There you go. Here's our rub out. Hopefully it's showing up. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah. Oop. Have a little spot right there. That'll do it. Rubbing up against that copper. Now let's see something real quick. Right there. Yep. Alright, gonna just pull these apart. And what we should be able to do is just pop this little guy here back onto our pressure switch. Or, camera fell, sorry. So what we'll do, I'm gonna go ahead and apply 24 back to Y. I separated them. Hopefully that's good enough. Yep. Y'all see that? I know you can do this with some other tools, but that's it. And we still have our 24. So that's it. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to tape those wires up. And then hopefully I got the fucking electrical tape. I should. So I'm going to tape these wires up. We'll go ahead and button that back up. Turn it on. We should be golden to go. So probably going to hop in there. I don't know. We'll see. See if there's any other wires. We'll inspect the other ones too, just to make sure that that's not the only ones shorting it out. You feel me? Yeah, tis the season where it's, son of a bitch, we gotta throw that back in. Tis the season where my phone's gonna overheat, so I'm pretty sure contacts are pulled in. We're gonna go ahead and that's it. And I know I checked all the pressures and all that good stuff last time, so that's good. Let's go set that thermostat back to that, put this back in. Go. Got to button up the indoor, set the thermostat back to 5-minute time delay. And since I was just out here, replace that contactor. I'm not going to charge for today, plus he's a police officer, so we don't even do dispatch fees for our first responders and teachers and military. So salute, you know, appreciate y'all. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do here. Get this done, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the truck. And like that, we're gonna turn those hazards off, and we're gonna gun it. Found the short, like I said, I love redundancy, man. So anything that helps me be able to find the short easier. Now, I know they got the Short Pro tool. They even have the one I just had. I could have just made some clips. You can use alligator or jumpers. I think that Jumper King is just king. Like, it's really nice to be able to have something like that with that resettable fuse. You can just take it outside and do it that way. Made finding it pretty easy. Rub out, bada bing, bada boom. Because I'm not real good with all that shit. Like I said, man, it's not my strong suit, which I would like to get a lot better at. I don't know if they do some sort of training on it. Fuck! I didn't clip in the box. So, just did a maintenance after that. It was 3 minutes down the street from that house, so it didn't get anything there. The drain line was nasty, but that's always fun. Going to kind of a call I went to in March where the piston was all jacked up. If I get some footage, I'll get some. If not, it is what it is. But it's right by the house, so once I get home, my kids like to go outside and play, so I'm gonna go out there and play. Probably get on the e-bike, you know what I'm saying, and cruise around the neighborhood, because my son loves sitting on my lap, so that's probably what we're gonna do, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all made it this far in the video, smash that like button, consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Later.